Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a simple text in React Native. So here I have created a React Native application and here I am importing the text. So I'm inside app.tsx and I have just removed all the default code which is present, and here you can see that I am importing the text component. Again, this is not useful, like this is by default present. Importing the text component from React Native. Here this is how you can apply styles. So here you can see I am changing the color depending on whether it is dark mode or light mode. That's why I'm using inline styles over here, because this use dark mode is a hook, use color scheme is a hook. That's why I can't directly apply it over here. Okay, so I can't apply that ternary operator over here because it's dark mode, which is based on use color scheme is a hook. Okay, and if you want to apply some text style, you can use font size, font family. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys the output. So this is the output for Android, this is the output for iOS, and if you see over here I'm changing the color depending on what mode the user is on. So here you can see it is dark mode and this is for light mode, the text color I mean. And if you want to apply some font size, you can use font size variable. If you want to apply font family, you can use this font family variable. Also I will show you how to apply font family. It's not really easy in React Native. This is how I can apply a background color. So if you want hexadecimal values, you can use something like this, but if it is a standard color, you can directly type the name for it. This is how you apply a border width. This is how you can apply a border color, and there are different ways of applying margin as well as padding. So you can directly use margin margin start, margin end, or you can use margin horizontal, margin vertical, margin or top and margin bottom, those kind of things. Similarly for padding as well, and here I have applied a border radius as well. Now for fonts, what you will have to do is take some custom fonts from Google. You will have to open the Android folder inside Android Studio, iOS inside Xcode. Here you can see I have to create this assets folder. So for that you can just right click on your app, new folder, click on assets and click finish. Once you do that, assets folder will be created. Inside that, create fonts folder, and inside that you can drag and drop your custom font. Next, for iOS you will have to create a fonts folder again. Even if you don't create it, that's fine, but just for structuring things properly and not to messing up things, so that's why I've created a fonts folder. Inside that I have dragged and drop our regular font, but make sure the target membership is checked. And here inside info.plist you can just add your fonts provided by application, and here you can see I have just referenced our particular font. So yeah, that's it. Now you can directly use it inside your application. Now some of you, if you are from native Android, you might be thinking why we are not creating fonts folder. Inside that we can drag and drop our fonts, because that won't work in React Native. Also, if you remember, in fonts folder we cannot have uppercase letters. Everything should be lowercase, and dash is also not allowed. That's why firstly React Native won't understand that thing. React Native requires your fonts inside the assets folder itself. That's why we are using something like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.